Hello everyone, it's Thomas here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to run diagnostics on your Mac, any Mac, running the latest macOS Mojave without Apple support. By the way, sorry for my dog being in the background. So this will basically run full diagnostics on your hardware, and you don't have to call Apple support, have a big hassle, and it will tell you details, if there's anything wrong with a specific part of your Mac, like the CPU, or even the power adapter. So first step that you're going to want to do right here is shut down your computer. Also make sure it's plugged in because, as I said, it tests the power adapter too. Sorry, Otis, shut up. Sorry, my dog's being loud. And also be quick. Once you turn it on, quickly hold down the D key. This starts the diagnostics process, and be quick, otherwise it will just boot normally and you'll have to redo the whole process. And hold down the D key until you get to this page where you select your language. Once you select your language, it will just start to check all the different parts of your hardware. Which you can see it's doing that right now. So you guys can see right here it says checking your Mac, and it has a little bar and it says 3 minutes remaining. And so just wait for this. Mine is actually sped up because it's a time lapse, and I'm doing a voiceover right now. Also, just to show you, it tests different parts of your hardware. Right now it's about to test my fan. So as you can see, it starts. And you can hear the sound coming from that part of the computer, and now it stops. Once it's done, it's going to give you this screen right here. I zoomed in so you can see, but it will tell you a short description plus a reference code and some like more information. And then from there, hold on a second, let me just quickly zoom out so you can see. I'm just gonna shut down and then restart again normally, and go to a website where you can look up your reference code. Just write down your reference code, and then you can go to here. This page, link is in the description. It's Apple Diagnostics Reference Code. You can look up your reference code on that page, and you get more details, and they'll give you service options if you need it, or if there's no issue, like mine had no issues. Then there, it's a really useful page. Keep in mind, link is in the description. If this helped, please do leave a like, and thanks for watching.